Assalamualaikum. My name is Furqan Qadir. I want to share my National MDCAT Preparation Strategy 2022 along TopGrade. TopGrade is an amazing online institution. I prefer TopGrade due to its unlimited qualities. I have watched all the lectures of TopGrade. After watching one lecture, I review slides which give me more concept and clear my doubt, especially about bio because I am a little bit weak in biology. After clearing concept of one topic, I attempt MCQs of that topic. Through this, I feel improvement in my preparation. Let me clear one thing, that TopGrade has excellent variety of unlimited MCQs, which you can attempt at any place and at any time. In short, I would say that TopGrade is best to crack the National MDCAT.